Find a comfortable seated position. Sit with your spine straight, shoulders relaxed, and hands resting gently in your lap. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in, then slowly exhale. Set an intention to focus on the present moment and to consciously cultivate a sense of unity and peace. Acknowledge that you are taking this time to recognize your inherent oneness with all existence and to ease any anxiety you may be feeling. Start by taking a few deep breaths. Inhale deeply through your nose, filling your lungs completely, then exhale slowly through your mouth. There is almost a physical act of letting go. Repeat this a few times. Allow your breath to settle into its natural rhythm. Not too fast, not too slow, just right. Breathe in and out through your nose, feeling the air enter and leave your body. Let's do a gentle body scan today, starting at the top of your head and slowly moving down to your face. Let the awareness glide down to your shoulders, your chest, your abdomen, your lower body, your legs, and fading away at your toes. Notice any areas of tension or discomfort. See if you can consciously release the tension with each exhale. Do a second, quicker scan. As you move through each part of your body, imagine the tension dissolving into the vast, boundless awareness that encompasses everything. Feel a gentle sense of calm and emerging with your breath. Now, shift your attention to your thoughts and emotions. Notice any feelings that arise. Instead of engaging with them, observe them as if they were waves in the ocean of your awareness. Let them come up. Let them float away. See if you can be a witness to it all. If you observe any of the so-called negative emotions, anxiety, fear, stress, frustration, see if you can practice non-judgmental observation. Recognize that all of them are transparent. It is okay to feel anxious or afraid. Often, it is only your aversion to these emotions that makes them seem stronger. Allow these thoughts and emotions to come and go within the infinite space of your consciousness. Bring your focus back to your breath. Notice the sensation of the breath wherever it feels the strongest. At the top of your nostrils, at the rise and fall of your chest, or your abdomen. With each breath, see if you can dissolve into the greater whole. Recognize that the breath you take in is the same breath that sustains all life. There is no separation between you and the universe. Immerse in oneness. See if you can observe all sounds and sensations, thoughts and feelings, plans and projects from the point of an unattached witness. Everything is an expression of the same consciousness that you are. Stay in this place as long as you like. Before you end, take a moment to express gratitude for taking this time for yourself. Acknowledge the effort you are making to recognize your inherent unity and to care for your well-being. Slowly bring your awareness back to the present moment. Begin to notice the sensations in your body and the sounds around you. When you are ready, gently rub your palms and place them over your eyes before you open them. Take a moment to sit quietly. By focusing on your breath, observing your thoughts and emotions within the broader context of non-dual awareness, and visualizing a place of unity and peace. This meditation helps to calm the mind and reduce anxiety. See if you can carry this sense of calm as you go about your day. If you feel the peace slipping away, try to take a pause to reorient, to be more mindful of your emotions, and to become a witness before engaging in action. See if that changes anything. Good luck, and see you soon.